Have you ever tried to create AI art?
Yes.
You get so excited. You open Midjourney or dall-e, you have a brilliant idea.
I've got an idea.
You type a futuristic city. You hit enter and you get this. It's okay, I guess, but it's not what you imagined.
Aw, come on.
It's not epic, it's not special.
Not at all.
You see other people creating these.
Wow.
So what's the difference? It's not the AI, it's not magic. It is one simple thing, the prompt. A weak prompt gives you a weak result. But a powerful prompt, that creates a masterpiece. By the end of this video, you will know the secret. I will teach you how to write amazing prompts for both images and for video. You will learn the common mistakes to avoid. And I'll give you tips to get consistently better results. Ready to unlock your AI superpower? Let's go. So, what actually is a prompt?
Tell me.
Think of AI like an intern, a super talented intern. It can paint, it can animate, it can do anything.
Wow.
But it's also very, very literal. It has zero imagination of its own. It will only do exactly what you tell it to. Your prompt is your instruction manual. Let's look at an example. If you tell your intern, get me a dog, you might get this, or a photo, or a puppy, or a hot dog. Who knows? It's a lottery. Now, what if you say this instead? Photorealistic shot of a happy border collie. Its coat is wet. It's leaping to catch a red frisbee. The park is sunny, the background is blurry. Now you get this. You get exactly what you wanted.
Cool.
The lesson is simple. Quality in, masterpiece out. Your job is to be a great art director, and I'm going to show you how. Let's start with images. This works for Midjourney, dall-e, or any image AI. There's a simple formula that works every time. It has 4 main parts. Let's build a prompt together, step by step. Our idea is simply a night. Typing, that gives us this. May. Okay, let's use the formula. Step 1, the subject, be specific. Don't just say a knight. Describe the knight. Let's try. A female knight in ornate silver engraved obsidian armor. Wow, already a huge difference. Step 2, the style. Define the look. Is it a photo, a painting, a cartoon? You have to tell the AI. Let's add Studio Ghibli aesthetic. See that? The entire mood just changed. You can use styles like oil painting, or cyberpunk, or in the style of Van Gogh. Step 3, the scene. Set the stage. Where's our knight?
Where?
An empty room? Let's make it interesting. Let's add standing in a magical, moonlit forest. Now we have a story. Step 4, lighting and camera. Be the director. This is the pro move. Use camera words to control the shot. Let's add cinematic lighting, soft glow, wide angle shot. And there it is. Look at where we started. And look at what we created. This formula works for everything. Subject, style, scene, and lighting. Try it. You'll be amazed. Okay, this is the exciting part. AI video is here. With tools like Sora, Pika, and Runway, prompting for video is different. You are not a photographer anymore. You are a movie director. You must think about motion. Your prompt needs to describe a scene. Here's a new formula for video. Let's tell a short story with 3 prompts. Our story: an explorer finds a map and follows it. Prompt 1, the discovery. We need to set the scene. We start with the camera. Extreme close-up on a dusty ancient scroll. A gloved hand unfurls it. It reveals a hand-drawn map. The scene is lit by a flickering torch. Look at that. We directed the camera. We directed the action. Prompt 2, the journey. Now our explorer has to move. We must stay consistent. We say the same explorer in our next prompt. Wide shot of the same explorer. She is a woman in her 30s. She treks through a dense, misty jungle. The camera follows her from behind. Adventurous style. By using Same Explorer, we connect the shots. The AI understands it's a continuing story. Prompt 3, the destination. Let's give our story a happy ending. Awe-inspiring shot. The explorer emerges onto a cliff. She sees a hidden valley with ancient ruins. She smiles with wonder. Golden hour lighting.
Wow.
3 separate prompts. 1 coherent story. For video, always think like a director. Describe the camera, describe the action, and keep it consistent. Okay, you've got the formulas, but you can still make mistakes. I'm going to help you avoid the 3 biggest traps. Trap number 1, being too vague. This is the cardinal sin of prompting. A castle is a guess. A colossal Gothic castle on a stormy cliff at night is a vision. The fix is easy. Always add at least 3 details to your subject: a style, an environment, and a mood. Trap number 2, overloading the prompt. This is prompt stuffing. Don't do it. A knight fighting a dragon in a cyberpunk city on Mars, oil painting style, with a cat watching. The AI will get confused. It might ignore half your words. The result is often a mess. The fix? Focus on 1 main idea per prompt. Keep it clean. Keep it clear. Trap number 3, using subjective words. Words like cool, awesome, or make it beautiful. These words mean nothing to an AI. Your idea of cool is not its idea of cool. It's too ambiguous. The fix is to be an interpreter. Don't say a cool car. Say why it's cool. Say a sleek cherry red 1960s convertible sports car. Translate feelings into facts. You now have the keys to the kingdom. This skill is a real superpower. You can take any idea from your mind and bring it to life on the screen. It is an amazing time to be a creator.
Amazing, really.
So what's next?
I don't know.
I have 2 final tips for you.
What are they?
First, iterate, iterate, iterate. Your first prompt is your first draft. It is never perfect. Take your result. See what you like, see what you don't. Then tweak the prompt. Change 1 thing, maybe change the lighting or the camera angle. Small changes can make a huge difference. Second, build a prompt library. When you write a prompt that creates magic, save it. Create a note on your phone or computer. Call it My Magic Prompts. When you see an AI image you love online, try to guess the prompt. Add those keywords to your library. This will become your secret weapon. So there you have it. The complete beginner's guide to writing powerful AI prompts. You learned the formula for Pi. You learned how to direct AI videos. And you learned the common traps to avoid. You are officially no longer a beginner.
No, I am not.
If this video helped you, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're exploring this new AI world together, and I have so much more to share with you. Now it's your turn. Your homework is to go create something, use the formulas we talked about today, then come back to this video and post your best prompt in the comments below. I would absolutely love to see what you create. Thank you so much for watching. Go create something amazing. I'll see you in the next one.